We are looking at a series of Boston Maine Railroad brochure guidebooks that were distributed to passengers late in the 19th century into the early 20th century. We're going to offer these one at a time for sale. And this first one here is Lake Memphremagog. And when we flip through it, one of the things we'll notice is that it has black and white photographs of the area that's being covered. And at the front is this attractive and uncommon color lithographed map of Lake Memphremagog itself here, with nice level of detail, including Owl's Head Hotel, the route of the steamship that was sailing on the lake, with tiny little islands named, etc. And at the rear is this also detached, both these are detached, cleanly detached with no loss, is this very large folding color lithographed map as well on this thin bond paper, overprinted in red to show the railroad lines with all of the individual stops across the region. It's got 3 insets across the bottom, one of the northern part of Maine with where it meets New Brunswick and Canada, the White Mountain region here, focusing and centered around Mount Washington and so on, and then there's this Maine coast Mount Desert Island near Blue Hill, which is a beautiful spot. And so this brochure with these 2 maps is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.